Spark was established by the Ginninderry joint venture to create unique training and employment opportunities within the capital region. This 9-week taster program in conservation and ecosystem management gave participants the opportunity to come and try what it's like in the industry. They were able to complete accredited units as well as really important safety tickets and licence, which will help with employment in the future.
I heard about Spark training and it just screamed exactly what I wanted to do. And so I decided to join up. Came up to CRT and Ginninderry Corridor and been learning a lot about the conservation and ecosystem.
I was doing year 12 over 2 years, so I had done like half my subjects the previous year, and then I was doing work experience at Ginninderry, but just the school part wasn't really working for me.
So before Spark, I've been sick for quite a few years, and I've just started a new treatment, which has given me a new lease of life. And we've got an interest in horticulture and gardening, being able to come out and actually put it all into practice. But like the weeding subject that we do, where we like the plant identification and learning how to drive a bobcat's been pretty fun too.
There's actually around 79 different machines that they can potentially use, and they write it all down, and that's part of their observational prac for completing this particular course. We'll go into the classroom, bit of theory on a certain machine or item, and then we'll go out and actually put that into practice.
My favourite class is probably the weeds management class because I'm learning a lot more about plant ID.
I've enjoyed the trips out to the conservation area, have been fantastic, and I've really appreciated how the rangers have explained the whole, the bird's eye view of their job in the Conservation Trust and how it operated.
I'm a proud Camilleri man. I'm a Canberra Country Ranger at the Ginninderry Conservation Trust. One of our main things in winter is pulling old fences out as they're a hazard to people and mainly animals. My boss is, Nana Warradri, so helping him look after these cultural places as well. There's a cultural campground just in front of where that water is, so looking after places like that are important to my role. If you look after country, it'll look after you.
All the teachers have been really good.
Tracy was a very good teacher. She was very easy to learn and very easy to work with. She always gave a helping hand and tried her best to explain everything around us.
Lee takes us out on the machinery and just you get on it and you learn when you're there and it can be stressful, but it's really it's fun and you learn a lot more and quicker. And then other Lee, when we go out into the field and you go, oh, what's that plant? And she doesn't tell you the answer, she makes you figure it out. And so then you learn a lot more.
When everyone first comes in, they're quiet and they're shy, but over time their individual personalities start to shine and you get cheekiness and you get camaraderie and then they all start to work together and form their own little community and help each other out.
The level of involvement from Spark and Mel, that's quite dedicated.
It's been really great having Mel there. Just have that liaison person. So yes, you've got the teacher, but you've also got someone who's kind of part of the program, but kind of that intermediary. And it's really great when she brings a snack.
I was impressed from the beginning with the fact that, we were getting boots and PPE and whatnot.
I think this offers them a great pathway, and already I've seen at least half of this group reaching out to see what else they can do.
I'm hoping to get a little bit more work experience in the practical side of conservation.
Hoping to try and get into landscaping, try and work with some machinery like the Kanga loader. The Spark training program doesn't cost us anything. Upfront costs, financial reasons for a lot of people, it can be difficult to get those things. And so for them to be provided for us, it's very handy.
Very welcoming, easy to get into.
This is the program that can really help people. I tell them to grab onto it with 2 hands.
Spark is all about collaboration, and we could not do these programs without our amazing stakeholders. So a huge shout out to the Canberra Institute of Technology and Fee Free TAFE, which is an Australian and ACT government initiative, the Umbrella Collective, Uniting Care Kipaks, and the Ginninderry Conservation Trust.
I'd like to congratulate you all. Just seeing you guys, drive machines that you've never driven before, do things that potentially you've never contemplated before. It's so good.
Oh, you guys are rad. As I said in the beginning, we were going to open up your eyes to the environment and possibilities. For those of you that I can see are really passionate, we're lucky to have you in an industry that's changing and working towards something that's good for all of us.
It has been an absolute pleasure journeying alongside all the participants and getting to know them this year. They have done an amazing job and I'm super proud of them. On behalf of Spark and all of our stakeholders, I'd like to say congratulations. We wish you all the best for the future and I can't wait to see where your passion for conservation takes you next.